Before we move any further with our product idea, there's a couple of things that we really need to take care of. These are essential in order to build the best product on the market. So this is an 8-part video series covering how to succeed on Amazon. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get all 8 videos.
Now, day 3 task is about 2 tables. First table is when you are dealing with completely new product. Means that you are dealing this challenge and you're doing this challenge for completely new product idea, okay? And the second table is when you already have existing product and now you are doing this challenge for existing product, okay? And let me explain you what does it mean. So first of all, after looking all these problems, these ideas, these improvement ideas, these issues on the market, now we're gonna need to summarize and talk to supplier about these problems, these issues, these improvement ideas, and speak with supplier and say, okay, can we fix any of them, right? And of course, if you have a new product, complete new product, and supplier says that you cannot really eliminate any quality issues at all, then why would you release a product that has the same quality issues that other people have? You release the same crap they sell, right? You don't want to release that product, right? And basically, if you deal with a new product, then new product idea, then what's your maximum investment cost that you can invest into that product? For me, it was $3,000 at the beginning. I don't want to really spend more, and it depends on you, right? So answer yes or no here. Now, instructions. Is this product easy to explain? If you have a new product, completely new product right now, and you're doing this challenge for new product, right? Then think about this. Does your product instructions, are they easy to explain? Because the worst thing that can happen is that you are selling some product which has crazy instructions which you cannot provide, and your customer service is not able to provide customer service either. Let me give you an example. You want to sell 3D printers. Now imagine imagine how difficult it would sell to you if you don't know instructions and you don't know how to provide customer service for that product, right? Safety. Is your new product idea dangerous or not? We were thinking about selling swimming rings for babies, and you know what? We just drop it because it's just babies can die, right? If the Chinese quality is bad. So answer yes or no. So if this first table is all about if you have a new product idea and you have you need to answer these questions to overcome first line of objections, okay? Now if these are yes, 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 then it's good, right? And if you get more than 3 no's, well, you know what? Do not proceed with this product or consider just quality and safety as a major requirement. Okay. So now let's say you are doing this challenge now for existing product that you're already selling on Amazon. Okay. Then basically you can skip this part here for today's task and move immediately to the next table here. And on this table, remember, we gathered all these problems: quality issues, instructional issues, usability issues, other issues, right? And now we need to speak with supplier and talk to them and ask, can we fix something? Whatever you decide, you cannot fix everything, right? But if you can fix something, then obviously your price for this particular product that you're selling may increase, right? And so this table is all about recalculating your profitability after you have spoken to supplier, convince them to change certain elements on your product, maybe add some elements, maybe change some materials, maybe eliminate some quality issues or whatever issues, and now you're going to need to recalculate your profitability again. So what's your top five product average selling price? What is your price for this product that you're selling right now on the market, right? And how much Amazon pays these competitors by selling this type of product? Now, if you have a new version, you can raise that price a little bit higher, but basically you need to know what is your product manufacturing price and shipping cost now, right? So what is market price? How much Amazon pays those people on the market? What's your manufacturing price and shipping cost now for a new product, new improved version, right? And so what's going to be your selling price and what's going to be your gross profit when you sell with this market price? If you sell with the same price other people are selling, what's going to be your gross profit? Means that how much Amazon will pay you, and now deduct your manufacturing price and shipping cost, and now you get your net profit per unit. So how much will be left? And so what's the minimum order quantity from supplier if you change the product? Sometimes if you do changes on the product, they require for you to buy 3,000 units, sometimes even more. And so now your investment cost for this new particular item that you are selling already on the market may go really, really high, right? And so that's the point of this second table here. Is meant for existing product ideas and what your new price or new profitability and investment cost will be after you've spoken to supplier and try to convince them to change certain elements, maybe features, quality issues, materials, whatever you need, and now calculating your investment cost and net profit per unit, taking in consideration your top 5 product average selling price on Amazon. The thing is that, remember, you could raise your product. We want to actually raise the price on Amazon. You never want to compete with Chinese with the price war, and that's why we want to develop better versions of our product, because we want to increase price. Now, for some products on Amazon, the price is really, really, really fixed. For some other products, the price is really fluctuating a lot. Let me give you an example. Knives, kitchen knives. You can buy the same knife, the price range is tremendous depending on the quality, right? And people know that. But for some other products, let's say like a normal, I don't know, like maybe teacup. I mean, I don't know, like the price doesn't fluctuate so much anymore, right? So think about this. If your net profit will be really, really low, are you able to raise your selling price? Does the marketplace really fluctuates a lot? And usually it's safe to, sorry, there's a typo here. It's safe to raise the price 10 to 20% from the market price with compelling reasons. For any, like usually it's safe for almost on all the niches, but it's just remember, if your net profit falls below 5 USD, take it as a major red flag. And again, sometimes if you implement too many changes, to your product, your selling price goes really high in order to make you any profits. And take care, take it easy, hold your horses, right? Now, sometimes, and remember, people don't want the best product always. People don't want the best laptop. People don't want the best car. I mean, they want it, but they usually don't want to buy it, right? So most people, they want good enough product for a good price. You know, they want the new best version for the best price, right? So sometimes it's enough already if you eliminate some really good quality issue or add some features to your product to make it new version just a little bit. So your selling price and your costs for the product don't increase too much, right? So look at your problems you gathered yesterday, these issues, speak to supplier and recalculate your profitability for the product after the supplier gives you a new price, and see what's the investment cost for your product, and then you can know, okay, shall I proceed with my new version and manufacture my new version as a next batch. Okay, I hope this was clear for you, because it would be stupid if you eliminate some quality and issues and material issues and whatever issues, and then you suddenly are not able to make any profits anymore on the market.
Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get all 8 parts of this video series. Make sure also to join our free Facebook group where there's tons of different resources. So make sure to actually tag me and let me know more about your business so we can see if we are able to work together. See you there.